know that I supported the fourth stage going into high day 2, coming out of high day 2, and then the breakover into high day 3.
I forget it. Yeah, and what that's even better. Yeah.
That's sweet. I don't know. Let's see.
These guys are doing GM
Hey, if
on.
you need a backup, I'm your guy. So, all right.
And so I have my signatures there. Of course, you can't ask anybody to.
Sit in the door. I was going to sit in the door.
All right, all right.
It's literally and figuratively close to my heart.
That's great. It's cute, but I would go like under the center of the night. To the side.
NASA over Artemis II, CSA.
I know Luca Palmisano's
brackets are pets. And the colors want to get like
it looks
that
great.
actually looks good. Now it all makes sense. The new logo is false. They're winning the logo game.
There's the journey, not the destination.
It's nice to hit sustainable.
Oh, I know the guys.
So, giving us schedules, and now we've been doing this long enough, like we're hitting the schedule.
So it's a three-hole race. We'll get
I'm inside of a year now. Outside of the year, I can skydive. That is literally where you want this
had not flown, this one has. So engine free right now has not flown either.
It is a bit of a dance to get the engine removed and replaced, you know. There's something, we love our acronyms here too. So put a new engine on, ECP back, ECP up, put the engine in, got it hard mated, got the ECP, the change operator. Service platform, engine changeout platform, first time operation for us here.
Right there though, and you'll see,
what it
just see the
is
sail
right
at
now,
150 feet of harness.
they're exposed to access
side.
to those bolts in case you do stuff.
It's a
But when
pretty
you go
big
for
piece
the
across
vehicle,
the
texting with some water, they'll wet their hands, wet their gears so they can make it a nice smooth transition. And then once that's done,
But once you get up past that, that's where we have all the slack. So you'll see little waves going.
them to use their seal interior to cover it because they believe it is a adequate.
What is this over here?
This right here?
Yeah, this one.
This I always say that you give it to like space operation. People think
About 115, 135.
And they only touch on the booster here.
right here.
Down here.
You guys kind of see, you know, the hardware comes to us, planes, trains, and automobiles. And we have a spray pump that goes out. That there was some challenges with the material of that machine.
This employee that we have set up is to make sure that we don't have S-180 foam going in areas where we don't. That's one floor line. We want to keep the top of the field. We could peel everyone, but the S-180 switch to allow them to use their seal interior to cover it because they believe it is a adequate. One guy will be doing spraying for about an hour. The other guy will practice the second set of eyes, making sure that it's not happening again. And you also have to keep it flat for while staying within a 2-minute window. So it's not. Sorry, now we broke it over. We have stress the equipment on because of force safety, but we'll check to make sure there's no more defect, and then re-align all the surfaces we touched up. So from there, after we disconnected, we lifted it up and over. But what we're going to do at the moment is there's an area at the 172 degree to 1. If there's any damage greater than 6 square inches, we'll have to do a orthodontic coat and a primer application here, flat here, and then a ramp and another flat. Basically to have nice, but they removed the requirement for the tie coat because it's not a cryogenic region, so you shouldn't have any more dents, so you'll have to remove that. A little bit of to the A side is fine, but too much to the A side, and then you have they start popping out, where it creates this bush. They're kind of like.
it's a great place to be if you don't know what you want to